Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Appropriation of payments. When a debtor owes several debts to the same creditor and makes a payment which is not sufficient to discharge the whole indebtedness, following rules apply. Appropriation towards principal debt. Debt specified. The creditor is obliged to discharge of the debtor for the particular debt for which the payment is intended. Where the debtor specifically mention about the particular date for which the payment is made, where the payment is made in such a circumstances which itself indicates the discharge of some particular date. Date unspecified. Where the date to be discharged is not indicated, the creditor can, according to his own judgment, apply such payment against discharge of any lawful date. If the application of the payment is not specifically mentioned by the debtors, where the circumstances of the case do not indicate the particular date to which the payment is to be applied. No specific appropriation. If neither of the party specifically discharges any particular date, the payment shall be applied in discharge of the dates in order of time. If the dates are payable on the same date, then discharge of such dates shall take place proportionately. Appropriation towards interest. When the debtor makes a part payment without indicating as to whether the payment is made towards principal or interest, the payment shall first be adjusted towards interest and the balance be adjusted towards principal amount. Rights of appropriation. Rights of debtor. The debtor has the primary right to expressly state the particular date towards which the payment made by him shall be applied. So money paid by the debtor must be applied according to the directions of the payer and not of the receiver. Rights of creditor. If the creditor does not agree to apply the payment made as per the directions of the debtor, he should not receive the money, nor a creditor can receive the payment under protest. The creditor cannot alter the appropriation after he has accepted the payment. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.